People love arguing about gas versus electric cooking and which is better, but here is what actually matters. If we're talking about efficiency, electric induction cooking is miles ahead. That's because gas loses loads of heat around the pan, whereas induction cooking heats your pan directly. But here's the twist, efficiency doesn't always mean cheaper. In the UK at the moment, electricity is much more expensive per unit of energy than gas. In fact, about 4.5 times more. So even though gas uses and wastes more energy to heat a pan of water, for example, gas is still cheaper to cook with than electricity. Yes, you're using more of it, but at a significantly cheaper rate than electricity. So the real answer, electricity and induction cooking wins on efficiency, but gas wins on cost. But in all honesty, the biggest savings of energy come from how you cook and not necessarily what you're cooking on. Now, if you loved this video, remember to give a like and subscribe and leave a comment to let me know what you think. And make sure you watch my video, 5 ways I cut my energy bills whilst cooking, for simple and surprising ways you can save on your energy bills whilst cooking that make a huge difference.